Hey guys, welcome back to Click with the Flicks. I'm Cherie, and I'm doing something today that I don't normally have to do. And I have been watching the skies because it has been so overcast. And here in Las Vegas, you know, I'm usually watching for too much sun and wind. We get so much wind here. But all week we've just had like actually all of March we have had really weird weather. And some of my photo shoots have gotten canceled or rescheduled because, you know, nobody wants to be too cold or wet at their session. And I'm actually on my way to a session right now with a little boy, about 8 years old. And he's got a special occasion coming up. Mom wants some pictures for his announcement, and she asked me to do some photos for him. And we've been watching the weather. It's been really overcast, and it said 4 o'clock hour, 10% chance of rain. Well, I'm on my way to the shoot, trying to be optimistic, right? And it is slightly raining. So I honestly don't know if this shoot is going to happen today, which will make me sad because I've been looking forward to it because so many sessions have had to cancel or reschedule lately. So I'm on my way there. We'll see if Mom decides to say let's go for it. If she does, then we'll go as long as we can. Hopefully it stops by the time we shoot and we can get some nice photos of the cute little guy. Hi guys, we're here. It's raining, and Holden, Mr. Cutie Pie here, we're gonna get some adorable photos of him. We're gonna work super fast today. Ah! Okay, now I'm gonna have you scoot your foot in a little bit. Right there, you got it, buddy. Okay. Okay, look right here and say peanut butter. Peanut butter. You have to do with your feet. You have to lift the backs of your feet up and balance right here. There you go. Like that. Like that. Right here. And this really straight and tall. Okay. Okay. Oh, Holden, this looks nice. Look right here for me. Right here at my sickle. And don't make me gurgle at you. Don't make me. Oh, stay up tall. Stay up tall. Hands up. There you are. Oh, keep your head up. Keep your head up. Now, have to do big, huge smile, and your arms have to be stretched out like they're tied to those trees, okay? All right, and can you spread your legs out too like they're tied to the ground? Okay, and make this your highest jump ever. When I say go. Ready? Set. Go. Yeah! Oh yeah! Sit right here. Can you sit right here on that circle? Put your bun down. Okay. Crisscross applesauce. Applesauce. Okay. Move it right at that knee, okay? Oh, where's your hand? You had one. You do have a handsome smile. Okay, Holden, be serious. Don't move. Don't move. Oh, put your foot like this. Oh, not like an ice skater. Put it down here by the back of your foot. Circle right here.
I'm gonna be a Miss Mary someday.
Does it say? Put your feet closer together.
And who's the person that needed the
We just finished up that session. Holden definitely kept things exciting. He kept me on my toes, which is a good thing. I didn't get bored. And you know, it was really funny. We got to the location and it was sprinkling. But as soon as we got set up and started shooting, the rain stopped. And the cloud cover, which we don't get very often, just created this really pretty soft box and just gave us a really nice light. And I think we got some great photos. I'm really excited to go home and check them out. And thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button, please subscribe, and share it with someone you think might enjoy it. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.